Starting a startup is a daunting task, but scaling one can be even more challenging. As your small venture begins to gain traction and secure its place in the market, you'll likely face the crucial decision of how to grow sustainably. This video explores the strategies for scaling your startup and the potential pitfalls to watch out for along the way. Growth strategies. Customer-centric approach. Your customers are your most valuable asset. Listen to their feedback, understand their needs, and continually improve your product or service. By focusing on customer satisfaction, you can maintain and expand your customer base. Leverage technology. Automation and technology tools can streamline operations, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Utilize software for customer relationship management, data analytics, and other essential processes to free up resources for growth. Expand marketing efforts. Increase your marketing budget to reach a broader audience. Invest in digital marketing, content creation, and social media advertising to build brand awareness and attract more customers. Diversify revenue streams. Don't rely solely on one product or service. Explore complementary offerings or target new markets to reduce risk and enhance growth potential. This strategy can also help cushion your business against economic downturns. Form strategic partnerships. Collaborate with other businesses in your industry to tap into their resources, customer base, or expertise. Strategic partnerships can open up new avenues for growth without the need for significant investment. Pitfalls to avoid. Premature scaling. Scaling too quickly without a solid foundation can lead to disaster. Ensure your operations, infrastructure, and team are ready to handle increased demand and complexity. Neglecting cash flow. Overextending your finances can lead to cash flow issues. Maintain a clear financial strategy and regularly review your budgets to ensure you have enough capital to support your growth plans. Ignoring customer feedback. As you scale, it's essential to continue listening to your customers. Ignoring their feedback can lead to a loss of trust and satisfaction. Customer loyalty is the lifeblood of your business. Neglecting employee development. Growing a startup is not only about acquiring new customers, but also nurturing your team. Neglecting employee development can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Lack of flexibility. While having a well-thought-out strategy is essential, being too rigid can hinder growth. Be willing to pivot and adapt as market conditions change. Inadequate data management. As your business expands, you'll accumulate more data. Failing to manage and analyze this data effectively can lead to missed opportunities and inefficiencies. Invest in data analytics to make informed decisions. Legal and compliance issues. Expanding to new markets or forming partnerships can introduce legal and compliance challenges. Ensure you have the right legal counsel and experts to guide you through these complexities. Scaling your startup is a complex process that demands careful planning and execution. Growth strategies, when implemented with caution, can lead to success, while avoiding common pitfalls is equally crucial. Keep your customers at the forefront of your decisions, leverage technology, diversify, and remain flexible to adapt to changes in the business landscape. By navigating the path to growth wisely, you can take your startup to new heights and secure its place in the market.